All right, let's talk about our very first kind of energy. Today we're going to be talking about mechanical energy, which we learned is our first letter in MELT. Mechanical energy is the total amount of kinetic and potential energy. So sometimes your kinetic energy will go up and your potential energy will go down, and then your potential energy might go down and your kinetic energy goes up, but your mechanical energy will always stay the same. All right, so what is kinetic and what is potential energy? What is that? So potential energy, the word potential means the possibility to do something. This is stored energy that could do work. It could have the potential to do work. Okay, and then kinetic is the energy of movement. So potential is kind of like energy building up and getting ready to go, and then the kinetic energy is when it actually goes. Okay, so we're going to draw a picture here. We are going to draw a roller coaster. Let's draw these. Of course, we have to have our supports here, right? And we'll go like this. All right, so we're good to go. We have our roller coaster here. I have my cart at the top. I have my little cart at the top with its little wheels, okay? This is the maximum potential energy because it's at the very top. And it has a lot of potential energy to go down. So at the very top. So maximum potential energy is at the start of the ride. So it has a lot of energy stored up, and it's ready to go. Okay? So it has the most potential and the least amount of kinetic energy because it's not really moving, it's sitting at the top. Then it goes down in this direction. And now it has lots of kinetic energy because it moved. Because it's moving. Then it's going to go back up. And it's at the top again, so now we have more potential energy because it's getting ready to go back down. And then we are going to go back down. That's supposed to be an arrow there. And now we have kinetic energy here as it goes down. So the total amount that we have is mechanical energy. So at the very top, we have potential energy. And the potential energy means that it has the ability. It's getting ready. It's stored. It's ready to go in a reserve. And it's not really moving. So the kinetic energy is low. Then all of a sudden it starts to move and it's using the energy that it has, so it's losing potential energy because it's now kinetic energy and it's moving and it's moving, it's moving. And now it's going to go back up to having more potential energy and less kinetic, and then it's going to switch. So it can vary based on the position that it is in. If something has the ability to fall or to go down or to move, it has potential energy. If it's actually moving, it has kinetic energy, and the total together is mechanical energy.